Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the icon size on Windows 11. Whether you want larger icons for better visibility or smaller ones to save space on your desktop, this guide will help you do it easily. Let's get started. To change the size of your desktop icons in Windows 11, first right-click on any empty space on your desktop. From the menu, hover over View. You will see three options available: large icons, medium icons, and small icons. By default, medium icons is selected. If you want smaller icons, simply click on small icons and your desktop icons will instantly become smaller. To increase the icon size, select large icons and your icons will immediately appear bigger on the screen. Take a moment to choose the icon size that best fits your preference and screen setup. And that's it. You've successfully changed the icon size in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips and guides.